Hey Jack, how was your exam?
It was okay, but I should have hit the books earlier.
Yeah, you always say that.
I know, I start late every time.
I studied all weekend.
Really?
Yes, I hit the books hard on Saturday.
Wow, look at you. You're turning into a real student.
By the way, how's your project at work?
Not good. The client didn't like our idea.
Oh no! So what will you do now?
We have to go back to the drawing board.
Again?
Yes, again. That's the third time this month.
Well, maybe the next one will be perfect.
I hope so. I'm running out of ideas.
Are you still in charge of the company budget?
Yeah, it's a nightmare.
Why?
I have to crunch the numbers every single day.
Sounds boring.
It is, but someone has to do it.
I'd fall asleep after 10 minutes.
Trust me, I almost did.
So, did you finish your report for tomorrow?
Not yet. I think I'll pull an all-nighter tonight.
Again? You just did that last week.
I know. I never learn my lesson.
You need better time management.
You're right. Maybe I should crunch the numbers on my sleep hours.
Yeah, they're definitely too low.
Tell me about it.
Okay, so let's review your week.
Sure.
You hit the books late, went back to the drawing board, crunched the numbers, and now you'll pull an all-nighter.
That sounds about right.
You need a vacation.
I need a new life plan.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson on English idioms. In this video, we will learn 4 useful idioms about study and work. The idioms are hit the books, back to the drawing board, crunch the numbers, and pull an all-nighter. Let's begin! The first idiom is hit the books. This means to start studying very hard.
Are you free tonight?
No, I have to hit the books for my exam.
So remember, hit the books means to study seriously or prepare hard for a test. The next idiom is back to the drawing board. It means to start again from the beginning because something didn't work as planned.
Our project failed the review. Well, it's back to the drawing board then.
So, back to the drawing board means to start again after a failure or mistake. The third idiom is crunch the numbers. This means to do a lot of math or calculations to find the correct result.
Can we afford this new computer system?
I'm not sure. Let me crunch the numbers first.
So, crunch the numbers means to calculate or analyze data carefully. The last idiom is pull an all-nighter. It means to stay awake all night to finish studying or working on something.
You look so tired today.
I know. I pulled an all-nighter studying for my finals.
So, pulling all-nighter means to stay up all night to study or complete a task. Now, let's practice with questions and answers. Sometimes the first answer is wrong and then is correct with the right meaning. If you started studying hard for an exam, are you hitting the books? Yes, I am. I'm hitting the books. Does hit the books means to relax and watch TV? No, that's not true. It means to study seriously. If your assistant says, I can't go out, I have a big test, is she hitting the books? Yes, she is. She is hitting the books. If our plan fails and we need to start again, are we back to the drawing board? Yes, we are. We are back to the drawing board. Does back to the drawing board mean that everything went perfectly? No, it doesn't. It means to start again after something didn't work. If a designer's project didn't work and she start again, is she back to the drawing board? Yes, that's correct. She's back to the drawing board. If a company checks all their budgets carefully, are they crushing the numbers? Yes, they are. They are crushing the numbers. Does crush the numbers mean to read a book? No, that's not correct. It means to do math or calculations. If an accountant calculates the monthly expenses, is she crushing the numbers? Yes, he is. He's crushing the numbers. If I say, let's start again, Our idea didn't work. Am I back to the drawing board? Yes, you are right. You're back to the drawing board. Does pulling all-nighter mean to sleep early? No, it doesn't. It means to stay awake all night to work or study. If a student study all night before the test, did he pull an all-nighter? Yes, he did. He pulled an all-nighter. If you didn't sleep because you were working on a project, did you pull an all-nighter? Yes, I did. I pulled an all-nighter. Does crunch the numbers mean to make a decision without thinking? No, that's false. It means to analyze data and calculate carefully. If you restart the presentation after it failed, are we back to the drawing board? Yes, we are. We're back to the drawing board. If my friend says, I stayed up all night doing homework, did he pull an all-nighter? Yes, that's true. He pulled an all-nighter. Does hit the books mean to take a nap? No, it doesn't. It means to start studying seriously. If the manager checks every cost before deciding, is she crushing the numbers? Yes, she is. She is crushing the numbers. If you think it's your fault, but you all start again, are you back to the drawing board? Yes, that's correct. You're back to the drawing board. If I say, I studied all night and finished my ESA, did I pull an all-nighter? Yes, you did. You pulled an all-nighter.